Welcome to Weber Packaging Solutions. My name is Chris Bonas, Label Product Manager here for Weber, and I'll be your host for this session on food labeling and coding solutions. You may not know this, but we are one of the few companies that can come up with a complete labeling solution for your product, including the labels, labeling system, and inkjet coding system, all from a true single source. Today, I want to give you some insights into many options Weber can provide for labeling and coding food products of all types. This is a very wide vertical market, and because of the vast amount of different ways to package food products, we've come up with some helpful solutions. As more and more companies are using small containers or tubs for their products, they're having issues labeling recessed areas in the lid quickly and accurately. Prepackaged foods like salsas, dips, fresh produce, frozen foods, gravies, meat products, and other types of products use containers like this. When we're asked to help a company overcome recessed lid issues on this type of labeling, it's usually involving speed and accuracy. Our solution is to use the Alpha HSM labeling system. The high-speed modular label applicator can be configured in multiple ways to achieve the exact system required to label your food product. It's available in right or left-hand versions, and the Alpha HSM has a 5.3-inch, 7.8-inch, 9.8-inch, and 12.6-inch label width version. The HSM can keep up with line speeds up to 500 feet per minute. With a labeling accuracy of plus or minus 0.01 inch, the Alpha HSM can handle labels as small as 0.39 by 0.39 and as large as 12.5 by 78.7. Depending on the label width configuration, the HSM can use label rolls up to 19 inches in diameter on 3-inch diameter cores. The HSM can be ordered with either mechanical or servo-controlled unwinder and rewinder for higher labeling throughput speeds. Label application modules for the HSM include a fixed peeler plate, a swiveling peeler plate, a pneumatic peeler plate, an adjustable peeler plate, or a pneumatic applicator. Label sensors can handle standard and transparent labels. For recessed lids like you saw, a combination of an extended peeler plate and servo controls make it easy to accurately lay a label down into the lower area of a lid like this. It's just one of the examples of how we can turn a labeling problem into an easy labeling solution for you. Now, let's watch this video showing the Alpha HSM in action.
Hi, I'm Neil Oshel, Labeling Systems Product Manager at Weber Packaging Solutions. Here is Weber's newest label applicator, the Alpha HSM. This is a high-performance and universally adaptable applicator system. The new design offers better efficiency, higher cycle rates, and a simpler operation than its tried and tested predecessor, the Alpha Compact. The system can apply pre-printed labels quickly and accurately to products and packaging. The new high-performance servo motors offer a high level of precision with increased speed. Special features of the Alpha HSM include drive speeds up to 150 meters per minute, cycle performance up to 2,000 labels per minute, label lengths up to 2,000 millimeters. It's IP65 rated. We can accommodate label widths between 135 millimeters and 320 millimeters. And it has an integrated zero downtime or alternating applicator setup. So here we're demonstrating the Alpha HSM set up in its integrated zero downtime setup. Our primary system is responsible for all labeling of all products. As you can see here, labeling all products. In the event of a label change, or some other maintenance required for the system, secondary unit will take up labeling without missing. So for this demonstration, I will disable primary label applicator. As the products come through, you'll see primary label applicator does not apply labels. There we have our secondary label applicator hitting every product. Maintenance is done. Enable the system. Go ahead and label.
Here's another very common container labeling solution. Baked goods, fresh foods, and meal prep ingredients are often stored in clamshell packaging like this. We specialize in great-looking labels that securely seal the container and automatic application solutions like the Pack Leader PL211CS to efficiently wrap the label on either 2 or 3 sides of the container, like you see from this example here. 1, 2, and 3. One of the advantages of the Alpha HSM is that we can add the Weber MarcoPrint X2 inkjet coater to the label path, allowing you to imprint variable data on your label just before it's applied. You can print your lot code, date code, and other required information right on the label, eliminating the need for a separate coding system further down the production line. The MarcoPrint has a separate controller with easy-to-use menus that allow you to set up different jobs, store, and recall when needed. The coders use HP inkjet cartridges for reliable printing. Inks are available in a wide range of formulations and uncapped times. Another important part of the food labeling and packaging equation involves case packaging and automation. Most food products are shipped in master cartons to refrigerated distribution warehouses for storage until they're sent to the stores. Let's watch this next video of a typical master carton labeling application. As you just saw, these cartons are labeled with variable information that often includes barcodes for lot info, date coding, and now many companies are using GS1 barcodes to increase efficiency or meet required mandates. Weber's reliable Model 5300 print and apply system can integrate with your company's information systems to download the variable information including GS1 data and barcodes. The 5300 can print and apply labels to adjacent sides of a carton or even wrap the label around the corner of a carton. The 5300 can be configured in just about any position necessary to apply labels just where you need them. You can choose from a wide range of resolutions, including 203, 300, and 600 DPI print engines from Zebra or Sato, printing in either thermal transfer or direct thermal mode. Designed for heavy-duty 24/7 usage, the 5300 is capable of handling print speeds up to 16 inches per second. With numerous I/Os, you can ease interfacing with external devices. You can even monitor operation via a web browser. And when you team up the Model 5300 with labels specifically made for cold storage, you have a solid solution. We recommend using our Arctic 300 series label material with adhesive designed specifically for use in cold and wet environments. There's nothing worse than getting a call from your distribution warehouse saying your labels are falling off in the cold storage. Label application and coding is part of the packaging process to consider. In order to create a more appealing product for the store shelf, you need an eye-catching label. Weber can provide you with those high-quality, great-looking labels in quantities as low as 500 each. As one of the world's largest label printers in the world, we can help you pick the best label material and protective finishing to enhance your label design. We've had many success stories in the food industry that have helped customers create unique labels to help make their brand stand out from the crowd. As you can see, there's many types of label materials available. Today we're going to be showing you some metallic finishes and materials. So you can see those treatments in these labels. So again, it's all about visibility and catching the consumer's eye, helping your product stand out from the rest. So we talked about metallics. There's estate papers and silver clear bops as well. Of course, you'll want to add a either a varnish or an over laminate to help with some shine, some sheen. You can also add a textured varnish as well. Or if you're looking for something a little bit more subtle, you have a finish like this as well, right? So you're not just creating a label, you're creating a piece of art for your product. With our HP digital label presses, we can run short, economical label runs for your seasonal and experimental brands. And if you need large quantities of labels, of course, our Flexo label presses can offer big savings as well as outstanding quality. We're always on the lookout for the latest and greatest in cutting-edge label technology. If you talk to one of our label experts or your sales rep, they'll tell you all about some of our new software enhancements that allow every label to be as unique in design and offer special effects that create three-dimensional look without thick layers. Remember, your label is the gateway to your product. Make sure you have the best quality label that reflects your brand, and we can help you do that with new ideas and economical prices. So in closing, those are just a few of the ways Weber can help improve your food labeling and coding application. If you have any questions or like more information, including some free label samples, please go online to weberpackaging.com or connect with your sales rep. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks again for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.